Welcome. In this video I will show you how to keep your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook from sleeping. To adjust the sleep settings, we have to open the control center, then click the gear icon to open settings. Here in settings, we're gonna have to go to system preferences on the sidebar, then open power menu, and in this menu we'll be able to change the sleep settings right here. So we can change the sleep settings for while inactive and plugged in, and while inactive and on battery. So let's say we want to change our sleep settings for plugged in state. Expand this list and select keep display on, and this way you will keep your device from sleeping. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.